Indian authorities have halted production at the Maiden Pharmaceuticals after WHO issued an advisory against company's 4 cough syrups. Now, the international body linked Indian company's medicines to the cause of dozens of children's death in Gambia last week. And the Indian health authorities have said during an inspection at the Maiden factory, 12 violations of standard practices had been spotted, because of which production has been stopped. The samples of all 4 Maiden products that had been exported to Gambia have now been sent for further testing at a federal laboratory. The results will guide the further course of action, and it remains to be seen as to what, of course, will be the result of these testings.
केंद्र और हरियाणा के ड्रग डिपार्टमेंट ने इसकी जॉइंट इंस्पेक्शन की थी। उसमें काफ़ी कमियां मिली, लगभग 12 कमियां उसमें मिली। उनको मद्दे रखते हुए अब ये फैसला किया गया है कि इसकी टोटल प्रोडक्शन बंद कर दी जाए और उसका हमने नोटिस दे दिया है।
Meanwhile, media reports, of course, suggest that according to the Indian drug controller, the company did not perform quality testing, while certain batches did not have manufacturing and expiry dates. However, the WHO has said that they may have in fact gone elsewhere through informal markets, and Maiden's cough syrups had been approved for export only to Gambia. Now, the World Health Organization had said last week that the laboratory analysis of the 4 cough syrups from Maiden Pharmaceuticals had unacceptable amounts of diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol, which can of course be extremely toxic and can also lead to acute kidney injury. The Gambian police's preliminary investigation report had stated that the death of 69 children from acute kidney injury was linked to the cough syrups that were made in India and were imported via a US-based company. It is one of the worst such incidents involving drugs from India, often dubbed as the pharmacy of the world. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.